terms of professional development, I've never experienced anything like this before.
I go home every night and I'm so excited.
It is just an all-encompassing engineering experience.
The RET via RET project stands for Reinvigorating Energy Teaching via Research Experiences for Teachers. This 6-week summer experience is very, very likely unlike any professional development that our teachers have ever done. That includes workshops, tours, and additionally, teachers will participate in actually working on energy-related projects.
We have gone on field trips to different energy sites like a coal plant, natural gas plant, solar farms. It gave us a chance to see how we get energy in different ways, and I'm excited to hopefully take my students there and share that experience with them.
I have really enjoyed seeing how energy is produced here in Kentucky and how we can take that knowledge of energy and then teach it in our own classes. We have been doing some breakout research to kind of get a feel for what engineers do.
I love the research. It was so much fun to play with the design, to do some changes to it, to get some actual data. We were able to stretch our abilities a little bit and then also learn how to not only engage in actual hands-on research experience, but also learn how to weave it into our existing curriculum.
Energy is applicable across all scientific domains, and that's why it's so important, because you can teach your actual scientific discipline better when you have a more thorough understanding of energy.
I am developing some curriculum on how I can incorporate some of the engineering problem-solving skills into some units.
Probably more excited than I've been in a very long time after professional development.
It's just such a comprehensive program. It's been like a life experience.